mame fe bi mami hu ofe ankasa ewo mi studio mu hanum sei woni Mizziz B mmofra no na ebaye enti no yembo mpini no na yene no entwetwe nkomo mame otemi nka me ma wajo be saso ma wakwaba
ye nua
mpacho bibia aboko de
ya mi adom bibia aboko
mpacho bobo wudin
mpacho ye frame Madam Esther Mante
okay mpacho position o Mizziz B
mpacho me na me beza of the school
na ye beza of the school
mpacho
okay Mizziz B school na wo fa hin
mpacho e wo Oda Anglican school the opposite.
Oh, okay. Or that Anglican opposite. Okay, that's fine. Mepacho school no didn't fear by saying.
Mepacho 18 years ni.
18 years.
Mepacho.
Oh, any chair fine.
Mepacho.
I just am to more frabebre.
At a more frabebre. Oh, more frabebre. Oh, okay. Ebi kura university.
Okay.
I try JHS exams when I try 4 times.
Oh, okay. Now, mo try no. Na results no. Ekwaseng. Etiseng.
Ebo mu de nyame adom ye tro ye no obi ani ho a ofeli
okay
ni nyina omofam awofo etie mi nyina be ma dance for ye mofra no obi ani ho a obetro be we kura be ka se we de wa nya school bia
nya school ko na te se ebi no so edum pempa so bia
ebi wo legon ebi wo tech ye mofra le bebre ye wo nursing form ni ade so far kura ebi mo awi a omo ye om attachment ebi so kura ti mi san be boy ma ye teaching no school no.
Okay. Matisem school fees boarding pa no cre.
Oh, Debbie. The school fees there that form cra. School fees that form. We share crèche for a jewom nursery for any upper for school fees a jewom lower for that form cra. Our for nebin so can. Nothing so cry no bar to say a term no. 3 months no dear man say first term no first month no e wo de ubetua
okay
ending of a second month no so ni agenti ye de any say from first month no to ending of the term no e be from no awie bibia
okay
e ma wotua na nkakra
okay mate na enne no ye ni Mizziz B esukufo na ebedi adwuma yi bisa o then na yen hwe anim e wo mo check.
Oh, and then the monshani am upon Queen free and chain. Said it, and I Miss B for no, you know, when near first time, maybe a studio honey and mother, but every end of term be I by my quaint, sad you way, ye.
Okay,
in Tianquala, no, my used to. Tianom send a pound quan on being free and chain. You won't call be briar train woman nothing so a number 10 qualanca or manua warmer canyon some poem. Drama ni de won be sia canon nti no mo hwe ne mapa bebre free and chain
okay
kwala mo ye intelligent ankasa ne do maba no
oh the same me who say school for na boy ra your studio hand say enti na kire say Mizziz B in kwala wa ha monje meswe Mizziz B International School
Bryce
Mizziz B International School
Bryce
for the last time Mizziz B International School
Bryce
ampa omo the energy na ampa okay madam ye be da se ye program na ye be sa na wo asa atwetwe nkomo ebie no ti we na ye ko school for no aso a
yes madam
okay Mizziz B in color ye hyedume de na sia ne sa enu ti no ye the school anthem and na e be hyase the school anthem and ye de be hyase it is a my kradwa Mizziz B in Mokra, the school anthem.
Mizziz B, Mizziz B, Mizziz B all the way. Ready, go. Mizziz B, Mizziz B, Mizziz B all the way. With sound education, civilization and success. Mizziz B, Mizziz B, Mizziz B all the way. With sound education, civilization and success. Come to Mizziz B, we are the number one. We train your child to have a bright start. Come to Mizziz B, we are the number one. We train your child to have a bright start. Oh, Mizziz B.
International School for and na wote womo nkano and na wote womo kana me kai we say ya ma any enda achidwumedie and na wasuguso a wutie ya ma any enda achidwumedie and na wasuguso a wutie aha eye community 103.3 FM me kai we say a Rabna catering and bakery service na so yasne Fizzles aso yasne Blue Luxury and Home Decor aso yasne and a Ghana be ye bookshop so aso yasne enti eya na wa hye no so e de amane yamba na wa je me so say ene yendache Mizziz B for mo wa hanum say
Yes, madam.
me ka yamba mo ba je yes say
Nedache.
yamba
Nedache.
yamba
Nedache.
Mizziz B International School
Bright stars.
Mizziz B International School
Bright stars.
yamba
Nedache.
ane yamba ene yendache dwumedie ebusia enche bia ye de poetry no ebe hwehwe so enche bia mofra no baba beka anwinsam kama enti koso ama wafidie no enda community 103.3 FM koso ama wafidie no enda community 103.3 FM yama any and that jumedie no wasuguso a wutie Blue Luxury and Home Decor a Rabna catering and bakery service Fizzles and na Ghana Beye Ye bookshop and I aso yasne say yamfa jumedie embeso mo jumedie pa wa kwemu nda bia right from 4 echo 6 p.m. ebebo brand so I baby phone lines so kama na won so waba be chere wadwen ahyembo franim crying opinion bia wo at the topic of discussion hono na won so wode aba Mizziz B International School for and yeni omo edi jumei me pa mo cho ye the poetry no hyehyɛ so anesa ye the poetry no hyehyɛ so enti rapping mitio.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ansa Apai Emmanuel. I am in KG2. Psalm 2 letters S O so G O go W V I T H U P up M Y man I N in O F off O-F off. Play letter words. C-A-T. Cat. D-O-J. Dog. B-O-Y. Boy. A-N-T. And E-J-J. L-O-F-F. Off. E-Y-E. I-L-E-J. Leg. S-U-N. Sun. M-A-N. Man. S-A-Y. Say Y-O-U. U-O-L-E. 1 P-O-T pot F-L-Y fly C-C regions and their capitals Upper West Wa Upper East Bola Tangana Kembali Brother Hafusu and the Asadi Kumase Water Ho Easting Kofodia Central Cape Coast Western Secondary Greater Accra Hafo Goso Bunu East 30 miles northeast Nadirigu Uti down by Savannah Davago Western of Serious. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jeffrey Akwesi. I am 6 years old. I am in class 1. The 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nana Ofori Atta. I am 6 years old. I'm in class 1. First 20 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ohiniba Kwame Esedu Planting. I am 7 years old. I am in class 2. The title of my poem is I am Mr. Pen. I am Mr. Pen. Writing is my job. I always help people all over the world. You can put your trust in me because I always help people like presidents, ministers, lawyers, teachers, students, and traders. They all need me to function. I am very useful to mankind, and my usefulness will not end until the last day. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gloria Obinuwa Eje. I am 10 years old. I am in class 4. I attend school at Mizziz B International School. The title of my poem is Money. Money. Many people will suffer because of me. One cannot live without me. Nothing can be done without me. Yes, I am money. Life without me is meaningless. Wherever my name will be mentioned, both others and children run after me because my name is money. I can be good and also evil to the world. I can bring peace to your life if you take the right path to get me. I can also destroy your life if you take the wrong path to get me. So be careful about me. My name is Matt. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Quuquah Pristine. I am 10 years old. I am in class 4. The name of my school is Mizziz B International School. The title of my poem is I Can. Of all the children in my school, I may not be the tallest of all the voices in the world. Mine may be the smallest, but I can almost touch the stars if I stand on my toes. And soon, my words might change the world. So you better listen close. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adum Lilian. I am 6 years old. I am in class 2. The title of my poem is Bits of Paper. Bits of paper lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Beverly Senenu. I am 6 years old. I am in class 2. The title of my poem is The Power of Education. Education is power. It's the way to be a better life. Starting today, it is the key to unlocking our potential and might, and the tool that help us shine with all our light. Thank you.
Ejanom, Mama Joe, me and Mejina, me didn't fail to be Nasari because you call Mizziz B Mofrasuku. Mejina pay me answer. My name Sam Aaron Baking. Yatuni din say, Ejapa, Obi Tremenia or Major. Namena say, if you say, Wajami Ejapa, won't it pa, Paikwampa, more obrampa, Obi Tremi a funa or Major. Namishan if you say a genuine Naya school, Nankameja or Musinapon, Ejapa or Tin and Bayonco, the new conce or confu, pre Edian, Sena Bayan and Bayindako, Medidimu. Misuku kom mentali chenu mekana mejada ejapa onyame mankwapa medamase
Ejanom enanom me majo me amejina he me din the first in tier because ku Mizziz B Mofrasuku my ensema mbeke ya tunu din say enapa enyamapa entetiapa ablabo nisubai pa nina free enapa owo mie dokota bi chenwa na ochelse osha atalifita mama samashia osafu bi chenwa na ochelse osha atale ode ekatwa ekaso tuboso me ekro akwatu emunisu intesu ne abofromu afro ode wo seria pepa maniwa munisio osadwa aduane mame kom dwane wanum se Mama kuma tomeyem owu abediasa saje abaye enapa oya batampa enapa obata ya fatamapa medamasi
waya die pa waya die
ejanumwe enanumwe me mamo ajo me a me gina he edin a me jeso ye ya savior because school wa Mizziz B International School na me wogina pen insia me futu sem kakra ni si ye imofra enketu ayi obiara wonne a odi esina nusu se daachi obetumi ayena aboa no se mo ye yen awufuo yi mo beso ye mu na maso yensa ni yetumi aye ni a mo betumi aye wosika femu sunsum femu ne wonam femu biara no monyembo aye yen imofra yi ye hye mo bopi se ye beyere ye ho na yesua ade se nia eka bia mabo wo ye ho biara no enye kwa ejapanom enapanom yedamo ase se ohaw ni namu muso ye mu wo ye suku kwamu ye ntade hyemu ye numu oh me kan mejaden mu ye onyankopon anamusifo ampa medamo ase
why ade pa bra be cycle biom bra na be ka biom yanko
ejanumwe enanumwe me mamo ajo me amigina he edin a mejeso ya savior because school wa Mizziz B International School na me wogina pen insia me futu sem kakra ni si ye imofra enketua yi obiara wonne a odi esina nusu se daachi obetumi ayena aboa no se mo ye yen awufuo yi mo beso ye mu na maso yensa ni yetumi aye ni a mo betumi aye wosika femu sunsum femu ne honam femu biara no monyembo aye yen imofra yi ye hye mo bopi se ye beyere ye ho na yesua ade se nia eka bia mabo ye ho biara no enye kwa ejapanom enapanom yedamo ase se ohaw ni namu muso ye mu wo ye suku kwamu ye ntade hyemu ye numu oh me kan mejaden mu ye onyankopon anamusifo ampa medamase
why ade pa why ade etiefo community 103.3 FM and our suguswa mutie ye ma ene ye ndachi dwumedie ene ye de esomwo nwa ma hu se mofre o ma no ate amensem no dia walk ni twi dia walk poem no wo brofu mu just obia no ate kama ebusia Mizziz B International School for and ye ni wo mu edi ye dwumei ebra asui aye time with the briless what you say show us what you've got sa Mizziz B school for no omadwuma bobe say teacher for ne kira de aha ena ye ni na ye di behu se nkola no wo ma be pa kola no o ma be pa enti en de be ICT kakra ya mathematics kakra ya science kakra ya twi because of me Ghanaian language e wo school mu hodom just en no questions no ya akese mu odu ankasa eti so o me kana o mutumi twa na kire se mofra no omadwin abobel ankasa busia ya ma ani enda achidwumedie no wasuguso awutie aha your community 103.3 FM aha your community 103.3 FM Arabna catering and bakery service Fet Zones Blue Luxury and Home Decor and Ghana be ye bookshop and aso yasne say yamfa dwumedie emba so mo nti say ya brila no o ma ya ready dia and mama starting free sister also bodi mama.
My name is Beatrice Afidome. I am in class 5.
All right, next.
My name is Ofoyiwa Christabel Ansa. I am in class 4.
Okay, next.
My name is Ohimaya Usia Cranton. I am in class 5.
Okay, it's your class 5 for me and a class 4 ni back, right? Are you guys ready?
Yes, madam.
Are you ready?
Yes, please.
Are you guys sure you are brilliant?
Yes, please.
You can answer whatever question I give you.
Yes, please.
Okay. So we are starting with governance. First of all, when I say I am a citizen of Ghana, so me kase me a citizen. I want my Ghana muha. I say saying. Okay, Beatrice.
A citizen is a member of a country.
Is that all?
Please, yes.
Okay. Any other definition or hima?
This is the same.
It's the same. A citizen is a member of a country.
Yes, please.
So if I say I'm a citizen of Ghana, it means I am what? Yes or hima?
You are Ghanaian.
I'm a Ghanaian. Thank you, my dear pa. You're more in some and mama, my dear papa. Okay, yeah, to what you're doing and also. Who is the current Attorney General and Minister for Justice? Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Wagana ha. Nidi Ede saying. Yes, B.
Dr. Dominic Aini.
Again?
Dr. Dominic Aini.
Dr. Dominic Ayini.
Yes.
Ohima, do you know?
Down, please. Dr. Dominic Ayi.
Dr. Dominic Ayi. Okay. His name is Dr. Dominic Akrutinga Ajine. So you guys are correct. Good. Yeah, to us so. Mrs. Gloria Agri Kelson. Ne who of papa. Oh yeah, who is she? Mrs. Gloria Agri Kelson. Who is she?
She is the District Director of Education of Brim Central Municipality.
Okay. She is the District Director of Education. Okay. To my next question. And they're not bremu infinitely messy muhanum say. Open power show who messia who some so. You didn't the same. Oh hima.
Madam Gloria Agu Kelson.
Wow. But said I'm tricky question. Need the quote tree. She say Mofrano or my dream abo bewa and pack or met me a chat. It's your monster my one way. Okay, yeah to us so. Mepe mumu bako. Amana I recited the national pledge. The national pledge. Who will do that? The national pledge. Beatrice Yanko.
The pledge. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God.
To uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God. Eye no kre wecha. Yet what yen same bisa no so. National anthem no. Why ne Troy? Who composed the national anthem? B uguswa peja wonsa. Some yam yensa na mo wa hanu say. Ohima mimra so ana.
Down, please. Yes.
Okay. So who composed the national anthem, Ohima?
Dr. Philip Beho.
Good. Yambon sama wamo. Na me dey say ba konkwa na trese wa answer question ba me to fa ho no wono so answer ne kama. And there's someone in your try the end was some huto, right? So who is giving us the national anthem? Who is giving us Beatrice again? Okay, be uncle.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of right. Fill our heart with true humility, make us cherish fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressors with our will and might forevermore. And help us to resist oppressors with our will and might forevermore.
Good. Be why are dear? Yet what yensem bisa no so. See a cat Ghana flag, a munim at the crow.
Down, please.
Yes.
Munim Ghana flag.
Please, yes.
Okay. And then not Ghana flag, no. It's a saying, then a woman who said, where the Ghana, Franca, and ye, then, and Uber who actually said, where your Ghana flag. Yes or him?
Down, please. It's having 4 colors.
Our 4 colors.
Down, please. Yes.
We are sure.
Down, please. Yes.
4 colors.
Down, please. Yes.
Color.
red, yellow,
Mhm.
black star in the yellow color, and black.
Good. Red, yellow, black. Also the black star in the yellow color. Just watch them baby are black the wall. Okay. And green. Oh hima why ya dear mami bon sama why ya dear do. Why ya dear. And yes, winning colors ne dia. I was so who you designing and I'm a boy. And to know who designed the Ghana flag. Christabel.
Madam Theodosia Oko Salome.
Madam Theodosia Salome Oko no my dear pa. Okay, and the Ghana flag ne swa and na ye war. Na someone in Amunim say flag there, ye trinity team say near the Sua said the bear in Frama, a boy, but to hear him a benkum, nifa. Ya funny say what ba mefa community and yet wako baby, wako jume kuobi mu, and now wako aswe bi, wako office bi. Nan the oba who said Ghana flag ye bisi what ye. Nyamom yan train a 10. Ya say ya tree, and the down fee bisa. Potokasem ya beka say ya hoisted flag no half mast. Just a net 10. About fee na ediani bi tiana pampe ne bisu tiana say. Oko who be bisa, what does it mean? A patch said. Christabel, unim.
Miss Madam, someone have died at there.
Ohima, ubet me one.
Someone is dead.
Someone is dead. Yes, B. Etc. saying.
Madam, it summarizes the death of someone.
It symbolizes the death of Brofo. Obia Canady, Obia Cabrofo, left, right, center, my idea. And Patra said, Odupombi to 2 of Yaho, and into your chief like me when ye say the back in fee. Yeah, that's a pass a match, my idea, pa. My idea. Ebusia Mizziz B Mofra, one more, and I just say me be some question now. No ma answer me beside no ma answer. Yeah, twaso. Sam, when baby a black star and the war flag me mudia. And then a black star no what does it symbolizes? Black star no what does it symbolizes? Yes, we.
The hope of Africa.
The hope of Africa. The hope of Africa, my idea. Okay, yeah, twaso. Say apart from national anthem, the pledge. When him say Ghana is also on young fufro why yanara ya sasini aya burden de my somewhat to that.
Yes,
Madam, yes.
Okay, and then that wine and no composing you know. Who composed yanara ya sasini? Be me frobium. Who composed yanara ya sasini? Yes, Christabel.
Madam Philip Bell.
No, come again. B, I won't call you again. We a group. It's Munjim Boom. Work together, think together, and provide one answer. B, answer me question. No, do. And no, sa pe. And you guys should work together. Me say Yanara ya sasini eya burden de maye. Who composed it? Christabel. Why?
Dr. Ephraim Amu.
Dr. Ephraim Amu. Why are dear? Young monster man. So you guys should work together, okay? Now, can I say the papa copena? Or somebody now me a brilla, and I'm a wa. Yes, it's time with the brille. So why is one person answering the question? I don't like that. I was Mizziz B Mofra and I Yaniwamu Edi Yajume. Until we are still on governance, let me add one more question to it. Vice President of Ghana. Meaning the same. The Vice President of Ghana. B, I'm not calling you again. Yes, Christabel.
Yes, Madam.
Yes, darling, I'm listening. What's the name of the Vice President of Ghana? Should I pass it on to Ohima? Okay, Ohima.
Professor Jenana Opoku Ajimani.
Professor Jenana Opoku Ajimani. Yes, she is the Vice President of Ghana. It is yefi governance. Ne ya koye ni mo fra na ya de o ma ya de pa. So let's clap for them again. Sa pepepe enetie. Where ye popular sayings. For me, example, we to say don't judge a book by its cover. It's a medical kakakramao. Now what was I guess all 12 babies by way of you get it. That's a popular saying. So are we good to go? Should we?
Yes.
Good. An apple a day. Yes, Christabel.
A doctor away.
No, it's not correct. An apple a day. Work together. Work together. You guys should work together. Muni na mun kama jimbo. Mun kama jimbo na muni ejuma together. So who is answering? Christabel, you again?
Keep a doctor away.
An apple a day.
Keep doctor away.
Your answer is grammatically incorrect. Asama na waka nemo grammar mu na correct. I want a correct.
Keep a doctor away.
And I said an apple a day. So meaning the verb is supposed to, follow some procedure. You have subject verb agreement, right? So if I'm saying an apple, then the verb should be what? An apple a day, that's what? Yes, B.
Keep the doctor away.
The verb again, what?
Keep the doctor away.
It's still grammatically incorrect. An apple, I'm talking about an apple. Apple bako. It's true. As a nana, we are more from your school for, so you should know this. Subject verb agreement. When the subject is a singular subject, you should go with the singular verb. Aha. And if it's a plural subject, it's supposed to go with a plural verb, right? So if I'm talking about an apple bako, continue for me. An apple a day. Ohima, say something.
An apple a day keeps.
Good. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Good. Popular saying na and you guswa no. And they're not black. There be Mami Sister Wing. Actions speak louder than. Okay, Ohima.
Words.
Good. Actions speak louder than words. Yes, about actions, Nebu. Adana manka. Actions speaks. Namika, actions speak. Who can let me know the reason why I didn't say actions speak. Namika, actions speak. Who can answer for me? Mika, actions speak louder than. And on him I can't words. Adetina manka, actions speaks. Namika, actions speak. Who can answer for me? And I'm in Bomudin. Or him I uncle.
Because the action is a plural.
Okay, and so
You have to use a plural verb.
So here in this case, the plural verb is what? Is what? Yes, B.
The action.
No, listen to me. You guys, you are getting yourselves confused. Listen, muntie me. Me say, actions speak louder than. And I'm just me say words, right? And I'm say, I don't know manka actions speaks. Now me can actions speak. I know him out can say that because said that. What did he say?
Because the action is a plural.
And so it should go with a plural verb, right? And I mean this saying verb ben na she ha any plural no. Verb ben.
I'm speak.
Good. Speak. My idea. Me the feather for moi. Besa muti. Besa muti. All the same. Yeah, call ye nimu. And the last one Wahanum say, love conquers. Love conquers. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, love conquers. Oh, my idea. Okay, yeah, call ye nimu. Yanko abodiemu nyansape science. Abodiemu nyansape science. So, what is photosynthesis? Okay, Ohima.
Photosynthesis is the process whereby green plants prepare their own food With the help of sunlight.
Okay, any other definition? Any other definition? Christabel, B?
Not the same definition.
The same definition, yes.
Okay.
Most science teacher, friend is saying?
Madam Abigail.
Madam Abigail. Yo, Madam Abigail, oh, boy, Juma, pa. Oh, boy, Juma. And then I hear twa. So, Jupiter. Fufu. And I soon am Jupiter. Or him, I'm not calling you again. Christabel is here. Beatrice is here. Who is answering? Jupiter. Okay, B.
Madam, it is the largest planet.
It is the largest planet. At where? Okay, Christabel.
In the solar system.
Okay, so give the answer in full. Jupiter, then.
It is the largest planet in the solar system.
It's the largest planet in the solar system, Maya. Yes. Good. And see, Yanko senses of the human body. How many senses do we have in the human body? Yes, Christabel.
Madam, 5.
5. Are you sure?
Madam, yes.
Okay. And then now give me each sense and its organ. Christabel, wow, so na me wo.
Nose for smelling.
Okay.
Ear for hearing. Eyes for seeing.
Okay.
Tongue for tasting.
Waka 4 nti aka baako. Ebusia yamma ene yanda achijumedie ela wasugusu a wutie me Mizziz B nkola ene wa hanum stage na sebre laugh no ene omoti akonwa ni mu wa hanum seni so mo question a na wo mo answer ye do science so nti science na mbusu. Okay, Christabel yanko.
Skin for touching.
What break it do nti yan start it. The 5 senses and their organs, their respective organs. Yanko Christabel.
Madam, 5.
Nti yan bobo so yanko.
Nose for smelling. Eyes for seeing. Ears for hearing. Tongue for tasting.
Okay. Akabako.
Skin for touching.
All right, my idea. Science mu meka aqua. Enye Alexander Bisi aqua. Meka aqua. Se me spell mouse wa AQUA aqua. Me pass yesterday. Okay, Ohima.
Madam, please, water.
Aqua is water.
Madam, please, yes.
Are you sure?
Madam, please, yes.
Okay. And then some person make a land that scientific name for land. Abadze. So we'll say one outcome, we'll say aqua, water. You see, I mean person make water, mean person make consume, person make assassin land. And then the scientific name day. Yes, B.
Terrestrial.
I said what can it intend to do? Trying short, mommy. One say aquatic ni mu na minya aqua free. It is a walk terrestrial na me se me pe landa. Na say so twa ne short o. Ana hu ni sa. It's a bear saying. Okay, yeah kwa ye ni mu. Eti mo say aqua water, right? Hello, aqua is water, right? Concentrate.
Yes.
Good. So give me examples of aquatic animals. Pedio betu ye jira na so am 5. Christabel so pe down so ka 5 la to peja yanko mama 5 sisi a.
Whale.
Yes.
Sea.
Tobo. Let's go.
Madam, whale. Seal.
Seal.
Madam, yes.
Redfish. Good.
Jellyfish.
Dolphin. Okay. Why are there? Okay. It's back to my land question now, Listen. If aqua is water, Then terra is. Yes or hima?
Now please land.
Yes, it's land. It's be one so called terrestrial. That's what kind of ten dodo. What you say?
Okay.
So it's supposed to be terra, okay? So you are giving me. So be this your question. Answer for me. You are giving me 3 animals that are terrestrial animals. Let's go.
Tiger,
Okay.
cat,
Mm-hmm.
dog.
Good. So what are terrestrial animals?
And terrestrial animals are animals that live on land.
Good. They are animals that live on land. Okay, Mizziz B school free or my dream abo. Sameka natural disaster. Natural disaster. Ay. Be me for be mohima me for Christabel. Natural disasters. Can you give me examples? What constitutes natural disasters? Natural disaster. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Natural disasters is the cause of nature.
It's the cause of nature. Is that what you said?
Madam, yes.
Cause.
Madam, yes.
Okay, explain. Maybe I'm not meant to say. Explain. Who is explaining for Christabel? B, will you explain? First of all, disaster ni tree cry then. Ni tree then. When ni tree then. Yes, B. The old one na can you go then?
Abodimu atwenche.
Good. I was even expecting a torrential munkwa. Why my body work at home? Young quay. Okay, it's a torrential dear. And a mommy, then it's here. I bet you can say already a torrential. Yes or him.
Now please earthquake.
Earthquake. The tree again.
Assassin was.
Assassin. What's war? With more examples. Why do you? Who is coming? Yes, Christabel.
I'm farming.
Farming. Spell farming.
Farmine.
Good. Ni tree again.
Elcom.
We see a to rent them. I'm power there. Why do you? B.
And volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption. Volcano as I'm now okay, right? Okay, Mate. Yes, we have more one. So next, maybe another example. Example is in there also. What can you search me, right? Yes, a debut. Yes,
Madam, hurricane.
Hurricane. Why are there? Yes, Christabel.
Drought.
Okay, so first of all, car farming, not just a comb, right? And a drought, no, and in the tree a day. What is drought? Explain. Who can help her explain? Work together. Monje Ebusia money and that you made in Wasugusu Wutie. A higher community 103.3 FM. My name is Mizziz B in Mofra and AD and the J Jume. Number who say in Mofra or my dream about Bill Pa. Yedika, your governance, your popular sayings, you do science. No more scientific level, so how do you say? My dream, where we drought here day, or him, Unima, catch me. What's drought? A day or him, you don't know? What's the difference between drought and famine? So I say famine, you come, and
Yes.
and see drought here, the so there be a tear for us to bet yes here. What I say, something I will come with brothel. What is drought? Okay, all the same. Young Queen, another example of Anna. You are done?
Madam, yes.
Okay. So the source of light and heat for our planet is what? Yes or him?
Now please the sun.
The sun.
Please, yes.
Okay, it's true. It's the sun. What's water cycle? Water cycle. Water cycle. Matilda, have you heard water cycle before?
Please, yes.
Okay, so what is water cycle? Yes, Beatrice.
Water cycle is when water evaporates up in the sky and condenses and falls back as rain.
Good! And condenses and falls back as rain. My dear, that's water cycle. So I'm an organ in the human body. My function is to pump blood. Who am I? Who am I? Christabel.
Madam Heart.
The heart pumps the blood. It's true. The heart pumps the blood. My idea. Okay. And see, my last question for science. I am the most attractive part of a flower. Me ho ya kono say. Me frefredom. Fredom na dom afredom na dom ofrefredom. Me ho ya kono pa. I'm a part of a flower. I'm damn attractive. Me ho ya kono say. Akokuno. Me ya den. What's my name?
Petal.
Petal. It's true. It's petal for me. Okay, B spell petal.
Petal.
Good.
P-E-T-A-L. Petal.
P-E-T-A-L. Petal. And see, yeah, the way I call tree mo, me kind of brofo, I can't tree mama me. You can't tree mama, kind of brofo. Yanya non tentem, okay?
Okay.
Bible tree yedeng.
Chokonkron.
Good, chokonkron. Ewiem, ne brofo yedeng.
Sky.
Ewiem ye sky. Yo, ohima kasa dodo. Mobi so kabi. Prophecy. Ni tree yedeng. Yes, we.
Come share.
In come share, good, in come share. And they're not Christabel na ankasa ye. A hand time brofo yedeng. A hand time.
Arrogant.
Mami bonse mamu na mo yade. Good. Anamontuo. Anamon. Ne brofo yede. Who is talking? Okay, B.
Footsteps.
Good. Footsteps. Wow. And then not me mamo. Science. It's really yede. Yes, B.
Abodi munyansape.
Hey, this is B. Mokola. Wow. Okay, you have a sheet of paper in front of you, right?
Yes.
Good. Our word of the day is opportunity. Spell opportunity for me. Yes, Christabel.
OPPORTUNITY. Opportunity.
That is the correct spelling for opportunity. So if opportunity is our word of the day, then what is opportunity? Opportunity. What is it? Explain opportunity. Yes, B.
Akwenya.
Okay. Give me a synonym for opportunity. A synonym. Some simple brofo. Yes.
Chance.
Good. Wow. Hey, Mizziz B School for what try we catch powers. Hey. Chance, good. Why are there? More, we are still on our word of the day. So I want you to form a sentence each with our word of the day. Mami Satifi or him Yanko.
I have the opportunity to go to school.
Well, you're correct. Next.
She gave me the opportunity to dance.
She gave you the opportunity to dance. Yes, B.
Opportunity comes but once.
Good. Wow. Hey, B. Good. And yes, your word of the day, which is opportunity. We are forming words from it. What's opportunity? Your word sensei. It's mama me west from opportunity. Me pay 2-letter west. Me pay S O so G O go dia. Mama me west mudo. It's obiara mama me 2-2. There be my starting with Christabel. Mama 2 words from opportunity.
Unity.
Spell unity for me.
UNITY. Unity.
Okay, that's correct. The next word.
Try.
Try. Spell it.
TRY. Try.
Good. TRY. Try. It can be found in the word opportunity. Mami bra him out. Yanko.
Out.
Out. Spell.
O-U-T. Out.
O-U-T. Out. Sure. Ella day.
Then pin.
Pin. Spell it.
P-I-N. Pin.
Good. Good one there. Good one there. Beatrice.
Madam.
I want 2 words from you from the word opportunity.
Unit.
Okay. Unity, right? Unit. Sure. You are correct. What else?
Pot.
Pot. Spell pot.
P-O-T. Pot.
P-O-T. Pot. You guys are doing so well. It's Yanko spelling bee. Nendie. Ebusia ya the drama be hihye so enche. Ya the drama e be hihye so enche. Spelling bee. When the anya in term, okay? Spell the word authorize. Who is spelling? Yes, B.
Authorize. A.
Yes.
U.
Good.
T. H. O. R. I. Z. E. Authorize.
That is the correct spelling for authorize. Why are there? My next word is conversation.
Conversation.
Good, Ohima.
C-O-V-E-R.
Take your time.
Conversation.
Yes, who is spelling? Christabel. Sure, let's go.
CONVERSATION.
Conversation. Good. Spell explorer. Internet explorer. Spell explorer. Who is spelling? Yes, Beatrice.
Explorer. E-X-P-L-O-R-E-R. Explorer.
Wow. Beatrice, you are doing so well. So my last word for this segment, we are spelling flute. Yes, Christabel.
FLUT. Flute.
You are wrong. Yes, Wahima.
Flute. F-L-U-T-E. Flute.
F-L-U-T-E. Flute. All right. It's Yanko mathematics. So you are rounding 4.27. 4.27. You are rounding 4.27 to the nearest whole number. Yes, Christabel.
4.
4. Wow. It's 4. So you are still using the same number, okay? The same 4.27 now. To the nearest tenth. Yes, Ohima.
4.3.
Why 4.3?
Then because the 7 is more than 5.
So what did you do?
I skipped 1 from the 7 and added to the 2.
Hey, wow. Ohima, why are they? Papa. Let's clap for them. Hey, Ohima. Where are they? So the same number, 4.27, okay? I'm intentionally changing the 27 to 97. It's about 4.97. To the nearest whole number will be what? 4.97. Yes, Christabel.
Till I'm 5.
Why 5?
Because 9 is more than 5.
So
I pick 1 and add it to the 4.
Good. Good. Okay. So half of 20 is what? Yes or Hima?
Then please 10.
It's 10. My final question. Listen attentively. So a group of friends want to share some candies equally, okay? If they have 48 pieces of candies and the friends are 8 in number, how many pieces of candy will each get? Let me explain the question. Hey, question don't be say. And now for 8 and the extra toffee 48. Obia benya say, and then asama bi bisa wo. It's one the pedal is affair. Yes, Cristobal.
Madam says.
I didn't know says. Unya ebaza na anya says.
Because I times 8 times 6.
8 times 6. And anya say.
Madam said.
Yesterday. Yes, or him. What you understand?
I multiply 8 by 6 and I got 48.
You multiplied 8 by 6. Why did you multiply 8 by 6?
Because the friends are 8. So if they are sharing 48, to say what can get 6.
You are correct, madam. You are correct. Hey! I am a sorry. You're very so cool. But then I have a dodo. And yeah, Mammy, we have ICT questions about whom you be. Meka say, or him shut down the computer. Shut down the computer. What does it mean?
That I should off the computer.
It means you should off the computer. That's correct. Yamosan. Namimao. WWW. An abbreviation. What does it mean in ICT? Yes, B.
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web. That is correct. Yes, Uncle Yeni. Yabrini Yeti. Yes, Uncle Yeni. Mami Mamo. Ebe. Namatwa ebe no so amami. Right?
Okay, madam.
Ufu dia pa. Yes or hima?
Now we'll piao.
Oh God. Ufu dia pa la wo piao. Who menisuma mintina. Who menisuma mintina. Who is coming? Who is coming? Who menisuma mintina day? Yes or hima?
Entry. Yes.
Entry.
Yes.
Where you sure say entry?
Yes.
Who menisuma mintina attribute now? All the same. Yeah, to us so. Abua bi beka wa. Yes, be.
No feeling to mem.
No fi why to them. Yes, darling.
Now if you want to
No fi want to them. Obi ni mo brempon. Christabel. Yes, dear.
I shall see.
Abba. And nani nguasia mfata. Yes, B.
Okay, Nimba.
B okay Nimba ede. Why ni okay Nimba? Ede. Muni ma de ko. That's what bed to say. E wo bitiru. I'll just say my last ebe. And then na obi nchira koda. Yes or hima? Nyami ampa. Ebusi, I have your questions this year. I have no yet. Hey, Mizziz B Esukufu Ekola Ohima Abaye Christabel and now Udi near day Beatrice. Mumo Bini Bio, Ufu name your day.
Beatrice Afidomi.
Beatrice Afidomi Mo and our sister.
Ohimaya Usia Cranton.
Ohimaya Usia Cranton and our sister.
Oforiwa Christabel answer.
Oforiwa Christabel answer. My idea pa. Yamosama womo. Yamosam Emma womo. Ebusia Yama. Any and that you may be in Wasubusu Wuti. My name is Mizziz B Esukufu and na Edi Jumain say. Me two question in Boma. No, I'm so at 12 me to Boma no matter 12 yeah, the drama neighbor she so them so. Yeah, the drama ever she so in terms so naturally say you who near your bay nya every drama anymore. You who near your bay nya every drama anymore. Kai was say Ghana bay ye bush shop and I saw my name. A Rabina catering and bakery service fizzles and a blue luxury and home decor. Yeah, the drama neighbor she so one is Montanasi. Punina Mundra Hona in your drama. Now I say, Mamma, me who dreamy catra. Mizziz B Esukufu and no. Mizziz B Esukufu and no. Drama no, young fashion so. What shall I say? Ready, go! Who is started? Talk.
Ejano.
Kasa, meet you. Who is talking? Hey, Ebusia, Mizziz B and Kuala, more fun would you make any shishaso?
Ejano. Enano. Mama Madro. Elemi Jinahe. Medeni Beatrice Afidome. Mojina Pai Enum. I check a clan Mizziz B Mofabe Yanina say. Trouble for Campa. I had a couple of money. You can't the right path. Message Flowers. Mammy 12 to Papa. Mammy Akofo. Mammy 12 to Bonnie. Meshila. Mammy 12 to Pat Nebaba. Annabo. Mammy 12 to Bonnie. Nebaba Damwasi.
Yanko Mammy Flowers Fee or Tony Ban F to Pa. And question your Bessie Woho.
Meshila.
Yes, Mom.
Meshila.
Mom, please, I'm here.
Meshila, always remember what's right and what's wrong. Make good choices.
Okay, Mom, I've heard you. I will put what you've told me into practice.
Okay, Meshila.
Yanko Mammy Akofufi or two honors. Yanko Mammy Akofufi or no suit to Niban F to Bonnie. And question your Bessie Woho.
Annabelle. Annabelle.
Yes, I'm coming, Mom. I'm here.
Annabelle, my daughter, don't worry about what others think about you, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Do what makes you happy. Life is too short, so don't be stressed.
Okay.
Abofra pani abofra bonin esha won train.
Meshla, look at the headmaster. He thinks someone is coming for his bag. My mother said that I should not take someone's bag.
Really?
Aye.
My mother said that when I see an elderly with a bag, I should take it.
Mefan and Chai and Sumin in a bag.
Ah, what is wrong with this girl?
Sir, please, good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I saw you with your friend. Why? What is wrong with her?
She says her mother said that when she sees an elderly with a bag, she should not take it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I'll call your mom.
Sir, please, can I help you with the bag?
Yes, thank you.
Training no be cast alpha and social a da in Bufano any.
Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
We are doing great.
An institution has organized a scholarship program for our school. The scholarship will be granted through an examination written by all the students. The students who will get the first position will be given a scholarship. I urge you all to put in your best and God be with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Abofra bani no baba strana down for. Yan question e besi wo ho.
Hi, Michela.
Hi, Annabelle.
Come on, Michela. Let's forget the exam and party tonight.
No, Annabelle. I need to take the exam.
Fine, be a nerd.
Annabelle, aqua party, aqua dinner ni aba. Na down for no bad sani. Uncle share the AC woho. Annabelle, good evening.
Good evening, Michela.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Annabelle, what's wrong?
I am pregnant, Michela.
What happened?
I went to a party and I made a mistake. I didn't think that's what happened to me.
What mistake?
I made a mistake and things went too far.
Hey, Annabelle, I told you not to go to the party. Have you seen what you, of course?
Okay, Michela, thanks.
Hey, I tell the S woman I could fulfill. And question the S were her.
Annabelle.
Yes, Mom, I'm coming. Mom, I'm here.
Annabelle, my daughter, have you learned towards your upcoming exams?
Mom, no.
Annabelle, what's wrong?
Mom, I'm pregnant.
You are hot.
I'm pregnant.
You are hot.
I'm pregnant.
You are such a fool. You have a scholarship exams ahead of you and look at what you've done.
Mom, you told me that I should do whatever I like.
But not to this extent, you idiot.
Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
You are doing great.
The results are in. I am here to announce it.
Yay!
Make sure you will see I get 100%.
Who's being here?
Emily had 45%. And Annabelle had 0.
Annabelle.
And Michelle had 100%.
Wow, congratulations. Thank you.
Michelle got the highest score and wins a full scholarship. Thank you.
Have you seen? Someone you can pometa and master pona uno. Someone on the walk of Faba. I never make Kahumbi. Mammy so Kahumbi. Mammy so Kahumbi. Someone on Sampa. Let's go.
Young come, my friend is fair. Now, young question and just a man, Abba. Mom, where are you?
Michelle, I'm here.
Mom, please, good evening.
Evening. Michelle, what's wrong?
Mom, I got the scholarship.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Michelle, I am proud of you. You chose the right path.
Thank you, Mom. I love you.
I love you too.
Ejanom, Enanom. It's here for Ote now. Echa Kaka, Mizziz B School for Bayani Nana said. Try our fair companion on fashion. Now on money and dachi. A sure or try on Bayani now. Madame Ferry is trying to ban the company. No Benin scholarship. Madame I go for trying the banner company. No offending say. No a sound so fairly exams no. Into Alpha. Montreal am Sony Obu. Montreal company. Na penny pa. Money ye na coupon Asia name wa assassin. Into Montreal company. Na ye na dachi pa madam wasi. I am Mahimaya with share granting.
Beatrice Afidome is my name. We are narrators. I'm Akofi Savior. I'm Akofi Savior. I was the bad mother.
I am Annabelle upon issue. I acted as a bad child.
Michelle DAAKYE is my name. I acted as good child. My name is Florence Ousia. I was the good mother.
My name is Alice Entry. I was the headmaster of the school.
Okay.
My name is Efrifa M.
My name is Felis Intie.
My name is Felisubi Nasari.
We are the students.
You are the student ampa. Ebusia oya chere kakra ya Mrs. B Mofra abeye. Mihia mami boni ne weni ma. Mami boni no we. Be fast, bra. Okay. Mami, ade na futuo awodu a wo wiase mu nyina. Efutu boni we na ade to wo ba no.
Because you are in 21st century, so I don't want to be so straight on her.
But so basha wo ba ni kete because you're a computer baby. Oh. Sana apa chere.
Yes.
Okay. Na Annabelle. Oso ade na mami tu wo futu boni no. Sanka also sebe nyame ama onyansa ni bi. Obetumi wo se we ye futu boni. Okra wada fo kro ya kola pa. Onso tu fo one peke. Ade dia.
Because the Bible says we should obey our parents.
The Bible says obey your parents. Etu mame boni kra na o kire wa. Bible aka say obey your mother and father until na say so tie wa wo fo nya sa.
Yes.
No, sister. Awufo papa bra. One wo ba Mishla. Eba ni say wadafo awufo ya na gina hoyi. No tu afutu boni. Eba nse na wo de afutu papa na wutu.
Because I want her to become a prominent person in future.
Because onya baby si wa brabo mu. Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Na Mishla. So wadafo ni Annabelle ya danfo boni. Eba ni say na wa ma ho kwan. Ama na fa na ne ye boni no. Ambe sisa with Jesus ama.
Because it's in the Bible. Ephesians 6 verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, for this is the first commandment with promise.
It's not so ubu mami some so.
Yes, please.
Okay, that's fine. Me pe head teacher no ha. Head teacher bra. We a teacher boni pa. We a very bad teacher.
I know that I'm a good teacher. Why?
You know you're a good teacher.
Yes.
You are a bad teacher.
No, I'm a good teacher.
Do you know the reason why I'm saying you're a bad teacher?
No, please.
So who say anamo aye ni amo kaze ni amo ade echre wo wanye sanchre. Ohu no wantwe wo. Wampa ho. You as a teacher me na abofra pa ho atwe wa. What are you supposed to do? And what did you do?
A friend told me that her mother who gave her that advice, so I called her mom several times, but she did not pick it.
Two friend mommy.
Yes.
Our old friend mommy are there. What were you telling her?
I was supposed to tell her that her daughter was not disrespectful.
Okay, said the bani muadi to onshen kasanchre no.
Yes.
Mama na mpeke ko no.
Yes.
Send na one peke aso ankade chi ubetumi afre no ana.
I called her again and she picked it and she said she would talk with her.
It who ya wafe mu de oni mama ne kasa ye.
Yes.
So mama no emfi no.
Yes, please.
Mate. Abusia oya chere kakra ya mofre ya beye. Mo se mo drama ne title ye den.
The right path.
The right path. In nature say abofra no fa kwai papa no so no. Ono eno nya scholarship na nya sa.
Yes.
Okay. And Mizziz B in Quuquah Oma beye oya chere kakra a chere ye. Awufo mienu. Ba ko se otia ne ba no ye computer baby. Enti no ntumi ntia ne ba te se de enka ntete na motia mo ma no enti waka kire akwala ne se oja ne pa ma no onya de wo pe bia o se the life is too short and eza lo kai enti won enjoy life enti abofra no so tie ni ma me afutuo ena ende wansua de na wakwa akwafa nyinsen owofo ba ko nso advice say ne ba se wo so osua de no be nipa titiru bi daache enti ono so ne ba tie na futuo ena ende wa pass scholarship yi kama enti sisi anakoye se ba ko fa right path na ba ko fa right path ena ye hu sunso anso a obi a kwan a wo fa no e de aba